The world is more connected than ever and more fragile. Environmental damage, widening inequality, health crises, and climate breakdown leave billions without clean water, education, or basic healthcare. Progress in technology is rapid, yet many communities are still excluded. In 2015, every UN member state agreed a plan, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, built around 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Those goals ask every country to act together so innovation, fairness, and resilience lift everyone, not just a few. Now let's look at the 17 Sustainable Development Goals and how they guide us toward a better future. Poverty denies people food, shelter, and opportunity. Countries should expand social protection and create decent jobs to lift communities out of hardship. Hunger leads to malnutrition and stunted growth. We can end it by supporting sustainable farming and making nutritious food accessible to all. Poor health limits life and progress. The UN aims to ensure universal healthcare and reduce preventable diseases worldwide. Without education, inequality grows. Countries should invest in inclusive learning, especially for girls and marginalized communities. Gender bias limits rights and leadership. We can close gaps by protecting freedoms and promoting equal participation in every sector. Unsafe water spreads disease and deepens poverty. The UN aims to build clean water systems and improve hygiene access for all. Fossil fuels pollute and drive climate change. Countries should shift to renewables and make clean energy affordable and reliable. Unfair work traps people in poverty. We can build inclusive economies with safe jobs, fair wages, and equal opportunity. Weak infrastructure slows development. The UN aims to invest in green tech, transport, and digital access for all. Inequality fuels exclusion and unrest. Countries should promote fair policies and protect vulnerable groups everywhere. Overcrowded cities strain resources and safety. We can design urban spaces that are green, inclusive, and resilient. Wasteful systems harm the planet. The UN aims to promote circular economies and reduce overconsumption worldwide. Rising emissions threaten ecosystems and lives. Countries should cut carbon and act urgently to protect our future. Oceans are polluted and overfished. We can protect marine life by reducing waste and restoring coastal ecosystems. Deforestation and extinction weaken ecosystems. The UN aims to conserve forests and protect biodiversity globally. Corruption and violence erode trust. Countries should uphold justice, ensure transparency, and protect human rights. Global challenges need global solutions. We can achieve every SDG through strong, inclusive international partnerships. The challenges may seem vast, but robotics is stepping up to meet them. Robots perform locomotion, manipulation, or positioning with a degree of autonomy, the key trait that distinguishes them from robotic devices. Service robots, including medical systems and wearables, assist people or equipment, while industrial robots automate tasks in manufacturing. Consumer service robots perform tasks like floor cleaning, window cleaning, gardening, outdoor cleaning, social interaction, education, mobility assistance, and meal handling. Professional service robots are used in agriculture, inspection, cleaning, construction, logistics, security, rescue, and medical applications, including diagnostics, surgery, and rehabilitation. Industrial robots are used in automotive welding, battery assembly, electronics microassembly, precision metal cutting, CNC tending, high-speed food packaging, and warehouse logistics, improving consistency, safety, and throughput across manufacturing lines. Robots contribute to SDGs in both service and industrial roles, improving health, food security, energy efficiency, and sustainable cities. Because these goals are deeply interlinked, a single robotic solution often advances several SDGs at once, like agricultural drones that boost yields, reduce chemicals, and support climate resilience. Overall, we see that based on the application, certain robots excel at specific tasks, helping us reach SDG targets more effectively. Such as surgical robots improving health outcomes, agricultural drones enhancing food security and climate resilience, and warehouse robots boosting energy efficiency while reducing waste. Robotics supports SDG 2 by making farming safer and more efficient. From autonomous tractors and soft gripper harvesters to drones, weeding bots, and food distribution robots, they boost yield, cut waste, and streamline logistics. Meet the DJI Agras T30. A precision spraying drone with RTK navigation, smart flow control, adaptive flight, and radar systems, enabling large-scale coverage with minimal human input. Classified as a crop care robot aerial drone, the Agras T30 tackles SDG 2 challenges by improving yield, reducing chemical waste, and protecting soil health. Compared to traditional spraying, it boosts coverage by 20 times, cuts chemical use by up to 70%, and uplifts other SDGs simultaneously. Systems like Agrobot, NeoDino, and NeoOunce demonstrate key developments in agricultural robotics. But they may struggle with crop detection, rough terrain, and high costs, limiting adoption on small farms. Beyond technical hurdles, robotics raise deeper concerns, including job loss, widening inequality, and opaque data practices that undermine farmer autonomy. Despite these challenges, robotics remains one of the fastest paths to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. So how will you build your next robot?